Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, welcome to all of you on the online English class of Baghapur School and College. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by His grace too. In my earlier class, I discussed about how to present a graph. Today, I am going to discuss about a passage named International Mother Language Day. Especially, I will discuss about the questions number 2. I will discuss here how to write down 5 sentences for 5 questions answered. Okay, I think you all will listen my lecture carefully and hope you will be benefited by watching my video. So okay, let's start now. This is the passage is about International Mother Language Day. Here is a picture. I suppose you all know what is the picture about. At the beginning, there are 3 questions regarding the picture. The number 1 questions, what's the picture about? Number 2, what's the place in the picture? Number 3, why is it built? Let's answer the questions. Number 1, what's the picture about? The picture is about the Shahid Minar. What's the place in the picture? I suppose you all know where it is situated. It is situated beside Dhaka Medical College. The question number 3, why was it built? It was built to honor and commemorate the sacrifice of the language martyrs of 1952. Okay, I think you have already guessed out what passage I am now going to discuss about. Now I am going to read out the text. Listen carefully. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. The seed of the language movement was sown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. The students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkot, Shafir and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country, and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. This kindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. Okay, now I am going to show you some vocabulary. So let's go to the board. Okay, as a vocabulary list, memorable means unforgettable, remarkable, which is Bengali in Sharoniyo. Observe, celebrate, commemorate, Bengali meaning উদযাপন করা. Tribute, homage, honor, and Bengali meaning শ্রদ্ধা. Declaration, announcement, proclamation, Bengali meaning is ঘোষণা. Defy, disobey, resist, Bengali meaning অগ্রাহ্য করা. Protest, objection, complaint, Bengali meaning প্রতিবাদ করা. Momentum, speed, velocity, Bengali meaning গতি. Kindle, ignite, light, প্রজ্বলিত করা. Okay, now I will show you how to write down the question number 2. The first question is, why is 21st February observed every year? Answer, 21st February is observed every year to pay respect to our language martyrs. B. Questions. Why did people of East Pakistan become agitated? The Governor General of the then Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, declared Urdu as the only state language. This declaration made the people of East Pakistan agitated, as Bangla was their mother tongue. Question number C. How have we got Bengali, our mother tongue, as one of the state languages? The declaration of Urdu as the only state language made Bengali furious. They protested and sacrificed their lives for the cause and finally compelled the government to declare Bangla as one of the state languages. Question number D. Do you think language movement has any influence on any other movement? Answer. Yes, I think that language movement has a huge influence. The sacrifice for language movement made Bengali motivated against the Pakistani oppressions and ultimately brought independence of Bangladesh. Question number E. Describe the contribution of students in language movement. The students of Dhaka University sacrificed their lives for our mother tongue. Their sacrifice ignited mass protest and finally the then government compelled to declare Bangla as one of the state languages. Okay, I have completed the task. Hope you will be benefited by these discussions. I will again come to you after some days with another lesson. Until then, we will be whole and hearty and take care of yourself. See you again.